Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to disable Microsoft OneDrive on Windows 10 or 11. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So usually Microsoft OneDrive really annoys people by always popping up some notifications, etc. So the easiest way is just simply uninstall it, but in the proper way. So to do this, we need to simply go and click on the Windows right here and open settings on the Windows. So basic settings on the Windows, and now we need to simply go and click on the apps in the left side of the screen. So basically, Microsoft OneDrive in the newest versions of Windows is just a simple app. So it is located in installed apps. So we need to click here. And here in the list of applications, we can find Microsoft OneDrive. If you can't see it on the list, you just need to type right here, Microsoft OneDrive. And basically here it is, and it uninstalls as easy as the other applications installed on your computer. So simply click on the more options right here and click on uninstall. And confirm the action clicking on uninstall once again. So if it somehow comes back with a new Windows update, you just need to do the same steps. Here you need to confirm the action clicking on yes in the pop-up window, and the uninstallation process has now begun. You just need to wait a little bit until everything is done. And as you can see, the application disappeared, and I can't find it in tray anymore or in the task manager, and that basically means that we successfully uninstalled and disabled Microsoft OneDrive. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.